it's so hard to make people understand because we're in this new age environment of fishy thinking. But the entities inside the DMT trance are real entities. I mean, they're as real as you and I are. You would have trouble proving your own ontological validity if pressed by a skilled philosopher. So they're as real as we are. Well, this then has to be taken seriously. Questions like, where are they? Who are they? What do they know? Because they're intelligent. And we're intelligent, and we've been yapping about space people and all this malarkey. You know, they are here. If flying saucers landed on the south lawn of the White House tomorrow, it wouldn't be as weird as what happens to you when you smoke DMT. It would just be a news story, something for NASA to take over. Chomsky would explain it to us, the linguistic side, I mean. But you personally can meet the alien anytime you want, and the culture can meet the alien anytime they want. Well, are these things here for no reason? Are we just sort of there on their trip and we're on our trip? Or have they come for us? Is there a message? Is there a purpose? And why does this seem so drenched in super technologies and intimations of time travel? I mean, are these things dead souls? Are they a future state of humanity that's come back 100 million years to the dawn ages of intelligence to observe, you know, the discovery of starflight? Or what is happening? It needs to be looked at. And, you know, I went into this very deeply with shamanism, but shamanism is a set of culturally sanctioned explanations for people who didn't know how to ask the kinds of questions we ask. And so you can only go so far with that. And eventually you realize, you know, Jung won't help you, or Mircea Eliade, or no. You have to make sense of this on your own terms. It's very unexpected that this would happen. I always assumed I would be a aeronautical engineer or something like that. I never thought that the culture would turn 90 degrees and discover in, you know, the biology of the planet an alien intelligence. I mean, that's what the 20th century will probably be remembered for, and very few of us can even articulate it to ourselves. You know, in the way that the 15th century discovered the New World, the 20th century discovered the parallel continuum. It begins with Freud and noticing something about the fantasies of these Viennese housewives, and, you know, then Jung splicing in the myths, and then the surrealists and Iliad, and then the drug people come along, and Huxley, and so forth, until finally people would say, as that wonderful line in Rosemary's Baby, "My God, this is really happening." You know, yes, what did you think? Over here.